Does anybody else feel like the weekends are almost always a bust? You work your buns off to eat healthy, work out during the week, only to have it completely fall apart on the weekend? Yeah, me too. That is why I am trying to take matters into my own hands and plan for that. I typically will do my grocery shopping on a Friday or a Saturday, which means that I have the opportunity to plan for the weekend, which I really never do. I'm gonna try and prep some high protein options so this weekend I don't end up undoing the progress that I've made during the week.
For breakfast this weekend, I thought it would be great to have some high protein pancakes. So I grabbed some of this kodiak cake mix that I got from Costco. And instead of using an egg like they recommended, I actually used egg whites to up the protein count while keeping the calories low. I also used water instead of milk. I decided to make this into a sheet pancake because it is so much faster than creating individual pancakes. To do this, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees, poured all of my batter into a greased sheet pan, put it in the oven for about 20 minutes, and when it came out, it was perfect. And you can just store them in a plastic baggie. I like to top these pancakes with some sugar-free syrup, some vanilla Greek yogurt on the side to really up the protein. For lunches this week, I started with this chickpea pasta that I also got from Costco that is very high in protein. I cooked that, drained it, and rinsed it with some cool water to stop the cooking process and stored it in the fridge. I sliced up some cabbage, some bell pepper, and then shredded up some carrot to make the base of my pasta salad. I also cooked up some chicken breast. Storing it in an airtight container, chunked in some cubes so I could just grab and go with whatever recipes I wanted. I did just post a video last week showcasing what I eat in a day. And I made this killer marinade for tofu, which I ended up using in this pasta salad. To make this pasta salad, all you have to do is measure out all of your ingredients, put them in a bowl, and put some of that marinade / dressing on top. This was amazing. I would seriously recommend it. I also prepped up some vegetables for the week so we could have some freshly cut cucumber, peppers, and carrots to dip in hummus or to make a stir fry with. Having some vegetables sliced on hand makes snacking so much easier and healthier. Really, you could prep whatever vegetables you like, but having this is such a lifesaver.
Okay, it has been about a week since I filmed this high protein weekend prep, and I've got to say, it worked so well having these recipes available. I stayed on plan and I actually really enjoyed what I was eating. I find dinner time, I like to make different things every day, but breakfast I can eat the same thing for a few days in a row, such as those protein sheet pancakes. And lunches, same thing for a couple days. That pasta salad was phenomenal. Well, I think what I've learned is that it is very important for me to plan and prep for the weekends as well, so I stay on track. I'm really working hard on doing it right this time, actually losing all the weight in a healthy, sustainable way. And so far I've been averaging half a pound to a pound per week, which is pretty good all things considered. It does feel extremely slow, but that is where the real progress lies. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate you more than you know. Bye.